सूरज की किरणों की कमी के बायस कैंसस सिटी थोड़ा सा धीमा लग रहा था। इसी धीमेपन के एहसास की वजह से कुछ भूख का एहसास भी हो रहा था। मेरा दोस्त मेरी भूख मिटाने के लिए मुझे एक घर जैसी जगह पर ले गया।
Hi guys, so we're actually at this restaurant. It's called Kababesh Grill. We're going to go inside, have some food, and then we're going to review this restaurant with the one and only Chef Shamsher. So come on in, let's see how it goes. I feel like a celebrity. The cameraman following me all around. Alright. So we're gonna give you a quick peek of the food. Come on over.
कबाबिश के अंदर जाते ही अपने मुल्क की याद ताज़ा होना शुरू हो गई। तस्वीर तो ये ताजमहल की है, लेकिन ताजमहल कौन सा गैरों का है।
Alright, so we're gonna give you a quick sneak peek of the food here. We have the salad bar and all the dressings. We have soup, some rice, naan bread. Naan bread. It's naan, but it's naan bread. We have breakfast. There's halwa, chana, and achari aloo, tawa chicken, tandoori chicken, nihari, and pie. I don't like pie personally, but we have butter chicken. That's the best thing ever. Goat curry, chicken halim, and special, I think that's biryani. But we're gonna go ahead and try it out and let's see how it is.
खाने में हर वो चीज़ मौजूद थी जिसको खाने का मुझे बेहद इंतज़ार था। नान चने से लेकर निहारी और पाए दिल को हिला देने वाले खाने हैं। तंदूरी चिकन और चिकन हलीम बिगड़े हुए मूड को बना दे। इन सब लजीज खानों को देखकर मैं अपनी पसंदीदा चीजें चखना ही भूल गया। लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा जरूर आऊंगा। कबाबिश के एक कोने में मुख्तलिफ किस्म के सलाद, अचार और दीगर चटनियाँ मेरा खामोशी से इंतज़ार कर रही थीं। So I'm not allowed to speak at all. I'll let Sundus review whatever we are going to eat.
So please do not judge us because we're drinking chai with our food. I do that, and you can do that as well. So what are you starting with?
I am going to start with butter chicken, as you said that. It's amazing.
See, that's what I was about to eat.
Yeah. I'm watching her.
He's just following my footsteps. Okay.
It's really nice and moist and very tender. Oh, sorry, I wasn't allowed to talk.
Well, he's the expert, so apparently butter chicken is known in the US. It's like the Pakistan. It's not much known in Pakistan.
Because I think it's not presented the way it's supposed to be. Because I went to a restaurant and I asked them for butter chicken, and what they brought me was basically chicken handi with butter cube on it.
Isn't that like chicken makhni or something?
No. This is chicken makhni. Butter chicken, this presented like this is chicken makhni basically.
Really?
Yep.
Why is it orange?
Because it has a lot of tomatoes in it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm gonna try the halwa puri because breakfast.
Yeah, let's do that.
There's no buri, unfortunately, so I'm gonna try it with naan bread. I'm waiting for your review.
It's okay. Sort of reminds you of the halwa that comes from, you know, around the street. जब भी कोई religious day celebrate हो रहा होता था, जो भी हलवा वगैरह पकता था मेरी street में, तो वो almost बिल्कुल ऐसे ही.
Isn't that degi?
Yeah, देगी हलवा.
I like that it's not very sweet. I don't like my halwa too sweet. Because मुझे लगता है diabetes.
Yeah, it's not. It's not too sweet.
I feel like I haven't had like halwa puri and chane in so long.
Me too. I miss them every weekend.
Sunday mornings.
Sunday mornings.
Yeah. Man, I miss that. Waking up early just to go get some halwa puri.
Halwa puri, nihari, or just, you know,
Good times.
basically a tub of oil.
So what do you think about the chane?
I think they are amazing. They're absolutely what they should be. And they're definitely taking me back home right now.
Nostalgia.
Yep.
Okay, I'm trying the, was it tandoori or was
Yep.
it chicken tikka?
I think it's chicken tikka masala.
Okay, I'm trying that now. Have you noticed something though? So I've made karai chicken, you know, tomatoes. There's such a big difference in Pakistan and the tomatoes over here.
Yeah.
You know, tomatoes, they don't give that red color.
They don't, yeah.
And it just looks really different. And it doesn't taste same either.
Yep.
Like fruits and vegetables.
They don't. How was it?
It's good actually. I like it. It's a little spicy.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Do you like spicy food?
I love spicy food. I live on spicy food. The chicken halim is really nice.
That's my next thing that I'm gonna try. I like halim, but I'm not a very big fan of it. Like, I'll eat it. I know some people who live for halim.
Yeah.
I'm not that person. You do?
I love beef or mutton halim. Chicken not that much. I'm a red meat person.
The halim is actually really good.
Yeah.
I like it. And unfortunately, there is no biryani.
And there is no biryani. We have chicken pulao on our plates.
Yes.
Looks pretty good.
I like when the rice are like all separate.
Yeah.
And not like mushy and soggy.
Yeah.
So I think I've known Chef Shamsher for a very long time now.
Yeah.
How many years?
I think probably 3 or 4 years.
Yeah. And this is the first time we're meeting.
Yeah.
Can you tell?
Okay, so I just ate like pulao and it was really amazing. And tandoori chicken is good as well.
You got everything that I got. You just copying me.
I'm so unoriginal.
Just take his word for it. I liked everything on my plate, so. Plus, I feel like I'm in Pakistan right now.
Yeah, me too.
Like the environment and the talks.
Yeah.
And people staring.
Yeah, people stare.
I finished before you guys.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you guys see that?
I finished my plate before him. Can you believe that?
Well, I guess I'm probably getting sloppier day by day.
So, we're done with the food. As you can tell, our plates are all empty. The last and final review of the food is that it was really good, and it's definitely a place to stop by if you're in KC. So yeah, stop by. It'll give you all, you know, Desi vibes and good food, and it's good company, and there's Indian music playing. So yeah.
Yes, so I am definitely going to visit this place again whenever I'm in KC. Great food, great ambience. I love this place.
And great company.
Yeah, great company. There you go.
I need validation.
Alright, let's head out. And that's it.
I had fun.
Me too. Casey has been really good to me. Also Sundus.
Thank Thank you.
Yeah, I'm kind of obligated to say that.
I made him say that.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
All right. कबाबिश को देख के तो घर का एहसास हुआ था, लेकिन इसका खाना मेरे दिल में घर कर गया। वो दोस्त ही क्या जो खाने के बाद जबरदस्ती मीठा ना खिलाए। मुझे दोबारा अपने इस दोस्त से मिलने का शिद्दत से इंतज़ार है।